Hello guys, today I will study what is Python and complete the following points. What is Python? Difference between Python and scripting language, history of Python, scope of Python, and what I do with Python. Who uses Python today? Why do we use Python? And after that we will discuss about the installation process, a sample code and the Python execution and some basic tools which are used in the Python for machine learning we also discuss later. Hello guys, now we have studied what is Python. As Python is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting roles. Now we discuss what is scripting roles and scripting language. Scripting language we use generally for web application. This means an automated specific series of tasks which make our work more efficient. In series we have discussed software applications which used in scripting roles and web browsers. Python is an interpreter language, and now we discuss what is interpreter. An interpreter is a program that read and execute code, which include various source code, pre-compiled code, and scripts. Some interpreters include Perl, Python, and Ruby interpreters.